Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a popular trend among adventurers and travelers, traveling in a van. It's a unique and exciting experience that offers a sense of freedom and flexibility like no other. Before you hit the road, it's important to plan your trip. Decide where you want to go, what you want to see, and how long you want to stay. This will help you prepare for the journey ahead and ensure that you have everything you need. When it comes to packing, make sure you pack smart. Since you'll be living in a small space, it's important to prioritize your essentials. Bring along only what you need and leave behind what you don't. This will help you avoid clutter and make the most of your living space. To maximize your living space, it's also important to stay organized. Use storage containers and shelves to keep everything in its place. This will help you avoid clutter and make the most of your living space. When you're on the road, remember to stay safe. Make sure your van is in good condition and that you have all necessary safety equipment. Always practice safe driving habits and be aware of your surroundings. This is especially important if you're traveling to remote or unfamiliar areas. Staying connected is also important. Consider investing in a mobile hotspot or other means of staying connected to the internet, so you can keep in touch with friends and family while on the road. This will also allow you to work or study while you travel. Finally, don't forget to enjoy the journey. Traveling in a van offers a unique perspective on the world and allows you to see things from a different angle. Take the time to appreciate the scenery and make memories that will last a lifetime. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful if you're considering traveling in a van. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.